Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today our video topic is speech from the Remembering the Martyrs, a tribute to APS Peshawar. Ladies and gentlemen, esteemed guests, students and teachers, Assalamu alaikum. Dear audience, today we gather to remember the innocent lives lost in the tragic APS Peshawar attack on December 16, 2014. We pay tribute to the 149 martyrs, including 134 students who were brutally taken from us. Their smiles, their laughter, their dreams, and their aspirations were extinguished in a senseless act from the terrorism. But their memories will never be forgotten. We remember the bravery and resilience of the students and teachers who survived the attack. We honor the sacrifices of the martyrs and their families. Dear audience, the APS Peshawar attack was a wake-up call for our nation. It reminded us that terrorism is a threat to our very existence. It reminded us that we must stand united against terrorism and extremism. Dear audience, but it also reminded us for the resilience and strength of our nation. We came together as a nation to condemn the attack and to support the families of the victims. Dear audience, the APS Peshawar attack was a senseless act of terrorism that shook our nation to its core. It was a day that will be etched in our memories forever. But even in the face of such tragedy, we found strength in our resilience and unity. We came together as a nation to condemn the attack and to support the families of the victims. Dear audience, the APS Peshawar attack was not only an attack on our children but also on our future. It was an attempt to undermine the power of education and to spread fear and terror. But we will not let that happen. We will continue to promote education and to empower our youth. We will ensure that the sacrifices of our martyrs are not in vain. We tribute to the martyrs. To the families of the victims, we offer our deepest condolences. We can never bring back your loved ones, but we can honor their memories by continuing to strive for a better future. Dear audience, to the students and the teachers of APS Peshawar, we salute our bravery and resilience. You have shown us that even in the darkest of times, there is always hope. As we remember the martyrs of APS Peshawar, let us reiterate our commitment to peace, education, and unity. Let us work together to build a brighter future for ourselves and for generations to come. Dear audience, rest in peace. Dear martyrs, your sacrifices will never be forgotten. इंशाल्लाह, अल्लाह हाफिज़। डियर ऑडियंस, अगर आपको मेरी वीडियोस पसंद आती हों तो मेरे चैनल को लाजमी सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। शुक्रिया। अल्लाह हाफिज़।